it's your girl Maury, and I am back with another install today. If you want to see how I achieved this look, how I slayed this hair, keep watching this video. But before we even get into this video, before we even start, I need you to hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like this video up, talk to me in the comments. Hit that, I need y'all to subscribe. Like, hit that button and subscribe to my channel. I'm dropping gems for y'all. I'm giving y'all the tea on the wigs, on the hair. So just hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so I'm starting out with my edge control as always, and I'm just putting it along my edges. When installing your wig and doing your wigs, you want to protect your edges at all cost, okay? So I'm just taking my edge brush and I'm making sure that I'm applying a little pressure and brushing a little hard, just to make sure. If you have like curly hair like me, I just make sure I brush a little hard and really smooth the edges back, because we want them out the way. We do not want to lose our edges. I'm using my HD wig cap. I got these off of Amazon, like a 10-pack of 2. And these are the caps that I prefer to use. The HD caps are just better. They're tight on your head, but they're also thin, and they're very sheer, so it's easier to use, and you could just see where you're going and able to map out your hairline properly. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the ears off in my cap. When I do this, I like to cut behind my ear. I just like doing this method because it just allows you to see where you're going and making sure that you're not cutting off too much cap towards the front of your hairline. Whereas if I cut a little extra in the back, it's okay. The main and most important part is to protect my edges. You can cut your cap any type of way, but this is just a method that I prefer for myself, and I definitely recommend for you guys to try. After I get my ears out and everything is placed where I want it to be placed, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my Ebin Melt Spray. I swear by this spray. I use it all the time, and I'm just taking a spray and spraying it right before my hairline, carving out my hairline, and then I'm smoothing it in with my rat tail comb, just pressing the glue in, making sure that the cap is going to lay down. I like to add extra pressure when it comes to my sideburns, because sometimes the sideburns tend to roll up and everything, and we do not want that issue. And I'm just going to take the blow dryer and keep applying pressure, smoothing the glue in until everything is fully dry. Make sure it is fully dry. Now that everything is dry, I'm going to go ahead and cut the excess cap off. I like to cut the cap right above my hairline. I do like to leave a little bit room because, again, I cannot stress it enough, I am protecting the edges. I definitely cannot lose any edges. Then I'm just taking this hair razor and taking my time, carving out my hairline and cutting off the excess cap. But she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking together, cause we don't know how. Just don't get it if there's nothing at all. We've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. After I cut off all the excess cap, I'm just going to go back in with my scissors and cut off any ridges or extra leftover pieces that may not have came off with the hair razor. Again, we just want a clean, flat install, so I do feel like this step is very important. I do it all the time, and it just makes your ball cap look better. Now that that's done, I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation. I use the shade number 11, and I'm just going to apply this throughout my whole entire cap. The wig that we are installing today is from Amazon. This is from Quandian Hair on Amazon. This is a mixed blonde 30-inch wig. Very beautiful. This will be my second time installing this wig. So after I fit the wig on my head, I'm just taking a comb and pushing all the hairs back. So when it comes time to glue it down, there's no hair in the way. I'm using my hot comb just to lay everything down and make sure that is sleek and out the way. I can't tell you guys how many times I burnt my forehead doing this, but you know, we're not even gonna talk about that. Now I'm just fitting it on my head, making sure that everything fits the way I want it to be before I actually lay the glue down. The glue we're gonna be using today is my Bold Hold Active Glue. Y'all know, if you've watched my install videos, I use this glue with every single install. Love the glue. It lasts a long time, and I wear my wigs for at least 2 weeks. So this glue is good. I'm taking a popsicle and I'm just laying the glue down, spreading it out, and then I'm just going to blow dry it. And I'm going to be doing 3 layers. Depending on how long you want your wig to last, that'll depend how many layers you put. But I need mine to last at least 2 weeks. So I'm going to do this process 3 times. Put the glue, blow dry it, and then make sure that all the glue is fully dried. Now that the glue is dry, I'm just going to take the wig piece by piece and press it into the glue. Now, I will say, when reinstalling wigs, I sometimes feel like it's a little bit more work than if I was just putting on a fresh wig, simply because the lace is already cut for maybe a style that I did before with the wig, or whatever the case may be. But let me tell y'all, we are going to do some construction to this lace and in this wig. So I'm just pressing the glue in and fitting it on my head and just putting everything into its prospective places. I'm going in with my hair razor again, and I'm just going to go and do some work to the lace, cut off any extra lace that's just not needed or sticking up, and there's really no need to glue it down. Just really constructing it and fitting it to my head again so that we have a nice, clean, and natural coming from the scalp install. I'm going to spray a little bit more of the Ebin Lace Bond Spray just to make sure that the lace melts down, everything stays laid down and in its place. And I'm just taking it piece by piece and spraying the lace. I don't do this all the time, but when I feel like it's necessary, like this lace, I just do it. And then after I spray it, I'm going to take the blow dryer and blow dry it on there to make sure that it's fully dry so that it's not sticky or anything. And then when I tie my lace bands, I like to fold them in half and then just do one tie. This just makes it tighter and the lace making sure that the band is actually gonna lay that lace down. Okay, now I'm just combing out the hair. I will say that this wig is a really good wig. This is, I would say, like, this is my second install with this wig, and I brought it back to life. I washed it, I let it sit in silicone mix and everything, and it just brought the wig back to life. The hair is soft, it's thick, it's beautiful, and the color blend is like perfect. I will be doing a side part for this look, so now I'm just taking the time to part out my part for my side part, getting it exactly how I want it to be. Certain people like to do their side parts differently or wear their side parts differently. I like mine to have a little curve. So that's what I'm doing now, carving it out, pushing the hair. Just taking the time to really get the look that we want for today in this wig. Now that I have the desired part that I want, I'm just taking my Ebin wax stick and my hot comb to really lay the hairs down, move the hair out the way, and get it sleek and pressed so that we can actually be able to see our part, see where we parted, and make sure it's right. When it comes to light color wigs like this, I feel like sometimes it's hard to define a part or actually see where the part is because the roots are so light. So I like to over pluck the part just a little bit, not a lot, but just a little bit. As you can see here in this clip, I'm just plucking it enough to where we can actually see the part, and it's definitely giving scalp. So that's what I'm just doing here, taking time to part it out and look at the part. That made all of the difference, just plucking it out a little bit, and I'm just taking the comb and combing it out to comb all the extra hairs and stuff that we plucked out. I did decided that we were just gonna do a side part with like a body wave or a full look. So I'm taking my Chic Pro Flat Iron from Imari.Akyyah, New York, and I'm just going to be doing like big body curls throughout this wig. Y'all, I really struggle with curling my hair, but this flat iron definitely makes it easier with its round shape. It makes it easier with the smooth ceramic plates and everything. So I'm just taking the time and curling my hair. I'm gonna get better at curls, I promise. I am so determined to get better at curls because sometimes it just takes me a little bit longer and it's just a little bit difficult for me, but you know, we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. So that's what I'm doing here. Just enjoy these clips of me actually curling my hair and get in the body that we want. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do. I have a question for y'all. What are some criteria that you look for when buying a wig? Like, do you care about the hair quality, thin lace, color, longevity of the wig? What are some requirements or criteria that you look for when purchasing your wigs? Because I am determined to help you guys find it. Let me know in the comments. For me, I care about the hair quality, the longevity, and definitely a thin lace, because I notice when I have thin wigs with thinner lace, the install lasts longer, and also I like longevity because I like to be able to do different styles with my hair, and also I don't want to be doing my hair a lot, so it definitely has to be able to last 2 weeks. So definitely let me know in the comments. Okay, so we took the wig band off. I'm finished curling my hair. It took me probably about 45 minutes to curl the whole entire head, which is not bad. But now I'm just taking my fingers, playing with the hair, finger combing it, moving it around to how I want it to look. I am going back in with my hot comb just to press the hair down, lay it down, making sure that we don't have any flyaways, and everything is just looking uniformed in place and on point. Okay, I definitely am obsessed with this color. Love this wig. This is Quandian Hair on Amazon. I will be putting the link in my description box. Make sure you guys go and purchase this great wig. I will also put the link to everything else that I use in this video, but this hair is eating. I feel like the color looks so perfect with my complexion. The curls came out pretty good. It's giving the body and everything that we wanted. This is exactly how I wanted it to turn out. Okay, y'all, so this is how the hair came out. This came out so good, so good. And this is my, this is my second time installing this wig, and the hair is so healthy. I did wash it and let it sit in some silicone mix, and it has this hair back to being nice, silky, and pretty. Oh, I'm loving it. I was having blonde withdrawals, and this is just eating. This is a 13 by 4 30-inch wig, 30 inches, 13 by 4, and it is eating down. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button. Y'all need to hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel. I'm dropping gems for y'all. I'm giving y'all the tea on the good, affordable wigs. Okay, so you might as well just you watching the video, so you know you might as well. It takes not even a second to just boop. Just boop, hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, talk to me in the comments, let me know what styles you want to see me do, any specific colors, any styles. If you have any questions, any tutorials you would like to see me do, drop it in the comments. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.